Good afternoon, good morning, good evening sa inyong lahat all over the world. Ito na naman ang flash report ni Road Trip. Ayan, tumataas na ang presyo ng produkto ng petrolyo at kuryente. Dalawa lamang ito ang kakarapin na suliranin ng bagong administrasyon. Isa sa nakikita nilang solusyon dito ang pagbuhay sa Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. Ayan ang ating flash report. Congress, ayan, Bataan Nuclear Plant update, 620 megawatts. Pag nabuksan yan, malaking menos sa ating kuryente. Pagbuhay ng ating nuclear power plant, dadaanin sa masusing pag-aaral ng ating Korea na investment dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, roll BTR guys.
Nag-alok ang South Korea sa Pilipinas na tingnan at inspeksyonin ang kalagayan ng Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. Inihayag ito mismo ni Presumptive President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa isang press conference kahapon. Ayon kay Marcos Jr., kabilang ito sa kanilang napag-usapan nang mag-courtesy call sa kanya ang South Korean Ambassador. Hindi aniya ito ang unang pagkakataon na napag-usapan nila ng South Korea ang posibilidad ng pagbuhay sa power plant, ngunit ngayon ay magsasagawa na ang mga ito ng pag-aaral at magbibigay ng kanilang mga rekomendasyon.
Yung offer nila at yung nakapunta na rito ng mga expert na nuclear power para tignan ang Bataan Nuclear Power Plant para makita kung ano ba ang maaring gawin. Pwede pa bang ituloy o kailangan na magtayo ng bago? What are the things that we will have to do?
Ayon kay Marcos Jr., dapat na maihanda ang energy sector kung nais ng Pilipinas na mabilis na maiangat ang ekonomiya pagkatapos ng pandemya.
We are going to go to rapid industrialization, then the power sector must be ready for that. And the problem with in the power sector is that laki ang lead time. Kahit na siguro yung pinakamaliit na planta, 3 years yan. Minimum 3 to 5 to 7 years, but kahit na hindi aabutan ng administrasyon ko, we still have to start somewhere.
Ang Bataan Nuclear Power Plant ay natapos itayo bago makaalis sa pwesto si dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos, ngunit hindi ito pinayagang mag-operate ng mga sumunod na administrasyon. Madalas ang pagkakaroon ng mga power outages sa Pilipinas at ilan ay naniniwala na sa pamamagitan ng pagbubukas ng nuclear power plant sa bansa ay masasapatan ang kinakailangang supply. Ngunit marami ang tumutol dahil sa pangamba na mangyari rin sa bansa ang Chernobyl disaster sa Russia noong 1986. Bukod sa mga nasawi sa pagsabog sa planta, libo-libo rin ang naapektuhan ng radiation. Samantala, bukod sa Bataan Power Plant Revival, humingi rin ng tulong si Marcos sa South Korea upang mapalakas ang information communications o IT natin.
Entering the Philippines' only nuclear power plant is like a step back in time. The Bataan Nuclear Power Plant was built in the 70s and was the first in Southeast Asia. But it never opened. It was mothballed and past presidents were hesitant to recommission it because it was a reminder, they say, of the excesses of former President Ferdinand Marcos's regime. But the country's electricity prices are among the highest in Southeast Asia, partly because its dependence now on imported fossil fuels. That means the average Filipino family spends between 10 to 20% of their monthly income in electricity.
Philippines has for decades now been avoided as an investment destination in Southeast Asia because our electricity has either been too expensive or in short supply and unreliable.
Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has ordered his officials to look into the possibility of including nuclear power into the country's energy mix and the possible revival of the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant.
It tells the whole world we're ready for nuclear. BMPP has 3 sister plants that have been running for over 30 years. Exact same design. They are in Slovenia, in Brazil, and in South Korea. But what people forget is that no nuclear plant in the world operates without the blessings of the International Atomic Energy Agency, the watchdog.
It is quite clear that some parts of the nuclear power plant are aging, but regulators here tell us all it needs is a few years and an estimated $1.2 billion of commissioning, and it will be as good as brand new. But there are also those in government who say the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant belongs to a bygone era.
There's already a big pushback on nuclear technology itself. Now we're going to jumpstart a plant which is old and embroiled in controversy. We don't want to start our nuclear program in the wrong foot. We want to start it in the right foot.
Environmental activists also believe that the government should focus on producing clean energy instead, like wind and solar. But whether Bataan will be recommissioned by President Rodrigo Duterte or not, one thing they say is for sure. The energy crisis in the country is a social justice issue, and one that may worsen if there is no investment in the country's energy.
Sasabihin ni Bongbong ng Pbbm kasi nung nangampanya kami, lagi niyang sinasabi itutuloy niya yung magagandang programa ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Noon, ang sabi ni Pangulong Duterte, okay na siya sa nuclear power plant. Isipin niyo, panahon pa ng matandang Ferdinand Marcos.
Nag-alok ang South
Alright guys, ayan na to ngayon natin. President-elect Ferdinand Marcos met Kim Inchul. Ayan, discuss reviving the 620 megawatts Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. The Bataan plant was championed by Marcos Jr. Ayan, father of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. during the latest time of country leader, and 2.3 billion was expended the plant of construction ng nuclear power plant. Ayan, magiging mura ang ating mga kuryente. Sana magawa na yan sa madaling panahon. Ayan, maraming salamat sa patnubay na support to Road Trip. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.